This efficient A++ Samsung washing machine won't compromise on cleaning quality in order to save energy. ecobubble mixes air, water and detergent together to produce bubbles. These bubbles quickly penetrate your clothes when washing at cooler temperatures. This not only helps the environment, but it also helps to reduce energy bills while providing great results. Bubble soak can be added to the end of any wash program, whether it's cotton, synthetics or baby clothes. This 30-minute addition lets the ecobubbles penetrate deep into the fabric's loosening tough stains. Great for intensive stain removal. For the 5-year warranty on parts and labour, simply register within 90 days and enjoy peace of mind that your machine is covered. Enjoy a quiet and reliable wash performance when you bring this Samsung washing machine into your home.